Welcome back. In this video, I will guide you how to insert section mark footnote in Word document. Make sure section mark is a standard symbol and used primarily in legal, academic and teaching writing to point a reader to a specific part of a document or a partial or a particular law. So imagine you are writing a report about company rules and this is the body tags. And you want to insert a section mark footnote over here. So for this you need to click on the reference and click on this arrow, and in the Windows pop-up you need to select the footnote, and in the bottom of page if you want to insert section mark on the bottom of page you need to select this option, but I'll be happy with the below tags. And in the columns you need to select the match section layout. In the format you need to select this arrow and click on the last options. So in the start ad you need to select the section mark is officially the fourth symbol in the standard sequence, and you need to select the continuous and apply to the whole document and then click insert. And now type the footnote. Refer to safety compliance code chapter 4 paragraph 12 for the full list of protocols, and now select it and go to the home and make it italicized. If you are referring to multiple sections, you can use two section mark. For this you need to open the bracket and put the double quote mark and see two types section mark. For this you need to hold the Alt key, and on the numeric side keypad you need to press 0167 and release the Alt key. This will instantly paste the section symbol. You need to copy it and make it 2 times. And now 12, reference the page 12 to 15 and double quote and close the bracket to make it. Select it and go to the home and make it italicized. So this way you can easily insert section mark footnote in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.